Here's one of the craziest thing I'm going to try today. As you can see, the Anker 767 comes with this crazy adapter, which is extremely dangerous because these are hot wires. Once you connect one of them, they're all live. But having that said, let's do this experiment. Let's see how fast we can charge the 767 using all these power banks and all these adapters. Let's see what happens. I have connected them all to this crazy adapter and into the 767. Just so we don't die, let's try and do this slowly. First one. All right, first power, output. Oh, look at that. Other power units are turning on at the same time. Interesting. Let's see what happens here. It's receiving power. That's good. 60, 67, 90, 130 watts. All right. Second one. Oh, look at that. It wouldn't even turn on. I guarantee you this one does have power. Let's see the second one. This is not supposed to be empty. Well, I did power this thing on, but nothing happened. See? It does have power, but I just will not accept multiple going to the same place. Still at 116. Let's add more. Probably this is extremely unrecommended, but let's see what happens. Powering up this. Powering up this. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, this is going to be very high voltage, so I wouldn't touch that. As you can see, it won't go further than the 122 from the first one. Ignores everything else. If you remove this one and let the other ones take over, as you can see, it only accepts one of these inputs at the same time. Interesting.